JK Paper to commission INR 2000 crore capacity expansion project in Gujarat. JK Paper Limited is all set to commission its INR 2000 crore integrated expansion of paper packaging project in Gujarat during the current quarter. The plant will increase the capacity of packaging board by 1,70,000 tons per annum and 1.6 lakh pulp unit and take its total production capacity to close to 7.8 lakh tons per annum. Nepa Mill on revival mode to begin trial run in July 2021. The work of renovation of the paper factory Nepa Mill is going through the final stages. Within a few months, the paper mill is expected to be operational. The first unit of the mill was expected to start earlier, however, the work got delayed due to the second wave of COVID-19. But now it is expected that the trial of the paper machine will be done in July 2021. Walmart inaugurates new facility for filter fabric production in Pune. Walmart has started the production of filter fabrics in Pune in India. The company took the decision to invest in filter fabric manufacturing in India in order to better serve its customers and improve delivery times of filter fabrics to the Asia Pacific and Middle East areas. Setia Industries secures order worth INR 70 crore from Maharashtra State Textbook Bureau. Setia Industries has been awarded an order worth INR 70 crore from Maharashtra State Textbook Bureau for supply of 7,000 metric ton paper at a very good realization. Scan Machineries commissions another greenfield turnkey paper mill project in Zambia. Scan Machineries has commissioned a new double-wire 4-dryner paper machine in Zambia, Africa, which produces kraft paper of test liner, fluting medium, and wide top varieties. The new production line has a decal width of 2600 mm, which produces paper in the range of 70 to 250 GSM. Asia Symbol orders a 1 million tons per annum board production line from Voith. Voith has received an order to build and supply a complete paper production line. The pulp and paper manufacturer Asia Symbol commissioned Voith to supply the BM13 board machine for the Rugo site located 180 km northwest of Shanghai, China.